Scripting 101 when it comes to manifesting. So I see the world as our movie screen, and it's blank until you create it. When you're watching a movie, they have directors, they have writers, they have producers, they have actors, and a whole other bunch of people to create the team to create this movie. It's not a free-for-all. They don't just say we're going to do a movie and not give any of the actors a script. Like, they're just not spewing off words randomly. They know what they're saying, so it will make sense for the movie to keep the viewer engaged. So if you look at your life as a movie and you're creating it, you're writing it, how do you want it to look? This is your autobiography. How do you want each day to look? Each day can be different. We only think that tomorrow is going to be the same as today because we think that. If you rethink it, you can do different things. I script my days down to my drives to work. If I'm running late, I need to hit all green lights. If I am nervous, I need to be calm. If I have a phone call, I need to script that before I pick up the phone. So scripting in your mind, I like to do my homework the night before, which we'll talk about homework in a little bit, but I also script it before I walk into entryways, before I walk into homes or offices or parties or luncheons. How do I want to see it go? And immediately I run the movie in my mind, and it usually plays out pretty well down to a T of how I've created it. We also have some fun games too that we do with our mind games. So try it out on a small level, write it down. How do you want to see your day go? And I would love to hear from you. Okay. Homework for the scripting challenge is going to be, this is where your journal comes in. It's going to be at night. We're going to be scripting and reflecting, adding gratitude, and feeling. That's what we're going to be doing. So day one, since we are scripting $1,000 and more in 30 days or before, we're doing that so we're not putting any limits on it. I don't like limits, so this is going to be a limitless adventure for the next 30 days. We're doing 30 days to get your mind and body conditioned in a bit of a habit pattern, because this is a daily practice. Society has really done a number on us being humans, and we tend to let fear and doom and gloom get in our way when we can just turn it around, flip it, switch it to happiness, and choose a different mind pattern, a mindset. So your homework will be, for the first day, you're gonna command. I command $1,000 and more in 30 days or before. This means you can get more than $1,000. You can get it, partially way through. You're not putting a limit on just the $1,000 and more. Maybe it's not just the $1,000. You're going to be getting other free things or fun things or, wins, I guess, as I call them, wins that add to your day. Okay, so step one, command it with authority. You're in charge. I command $1,000 and more in 30 days or before. Thank you so much for all of these wonderful gifts that you're going to be allowing me to have. I can't wait to see, universe, I cannot wait to see how you're going to download them to me. The how is not up to you. The universe wants to play too. So allow the universe to play in the playground and let them do something. Let the universe do something. Give them the hardest part, the how. Let them deliver it in a surprise way. It could be a secret, surprise way, fun way. Get excited of how it's going to show up. Then you're going to write down 5 things you're grateful for. And you're going to sit on each one of them for a couple minutes and just really soak it in. I'm so thankful and grateful to have this in my life, and why? Why are you thankful and grateful for that? I'm so thankful and grateful for all of the blessings I have. I'm thankful and grateful for the money that's going to be coming to me, because you're going to be able to do whatever you want with it. So think about what you're going to do with the money when it comes in. How will that help you? How does that make you feel? Who are you going to call with excitement every single day that you start getting these magnificent wins in your life? So be very mindful when you're writing. Be mindful of your feeling and know it to be true. You're naming it. You're claiming it. There is no other way other than it's going to come into you. There's no other way. And so it is, amen. And that's day one.